Hello, this is Ankit Kumar Mishra. I have completed my Bachelor's of Pharmacy from Rajiv Gandhi University of Health and Sciences, Bangalore. I stay in Bangalore. I joined the CLRI in the month of July and I'm from July 15th batch. The CLRI team really helped me in terms of placement. The best part about the CLRI is they provide sufficient real life interviews that really helped me to gain the sufficient amount of confidence that are needed to crack an interview. And they have several modules that really help me out, like corporate etiquette, that really help me in making resume, even my LinkedIn profile, and these are the things that really make you a professional person. And the CLRI helped me in terms of getting various kind of interviews. That was a good exposure to me. Personally, I've attended only 2 interviews, though it was sufficient for me to get a placed in both. I was able to clear both the rounds, like most of the rounds of the interviews. That was generally because of the confidence level that I have gained. The real-time exposures of the various interviews is the best part you can get from any placement cell. That was the best thing, and that really helped me to make myself a better professional person in terms of this my field. I'm from advanced clinical research diploma course, and that really helped me out. I would like to thank you, CLRI, for this thing. Thank you.